His Royal Majesty Igwe Sir Samuel Ikechukwu Asadu, Ogadagidi of Edemani, Igwe NGABASI I of Wawa Land, the paramount ruler of Edemani Kingdom in Enugu State, Nigeria, is a shining example of selfless leadership. His Royal Majesty's philanthropic gestures know no bounds, and his love for his people is truly inspiring. One of his most notable achievements is the construction of a 2.7-kilometer road for his people, providing them with easier access to basic necessities.
My name is His Royal Majesty Igwe Sir Samuel Ikechukwu Asadu, Igwe Ogadagidi of Edem Ancient Kingdom, Chairman, Traditional Last Council, and Member Board of Trustees and Leaders of Africa, Nigerian Chapter. I started a 2.1-kilometer road. I made promise to God that if He gives me money, I will give it back to my community by the time we live in like a cul-de-sac, dead end. So the government did not look at our side for years, even myself growing up. So I was begging God to empower me. And when I got empowerment for enablement from God, God blessed me. So I gave them 2.1 kilometer road. And then beside that, I've been doing community road maintenance, like, Christmas time. Like I did about 5 kilometers this year now, this 2024, to make sure I will have accessibility to farm product, well, farmers, so they can evacuate their product, and they know me for that. Sometimes I even water the road so the dust will not be there with a lot of money to put, So it was something my community will never forget me about, because they needed that road to have access, because our road was was like deadlocked, landlocked or something. So everywhere that you enter our community, they say that's where the main road stopped. And then I was the game changer. I brought the changes, I brought the needed changes, and then God, with the help of the governor and everybody else, and then Ferrotech, he helped me too, and other stakeholders. I record all the engineers from my town, so I give them credit for that. They came in, they didn't charge me for labor. I made them do their needful. They made sure they did the road. It's now 1 year and 3 months we'll be using it, and it hasn't had a crack.
Also empowered youth with financial support, training, and skills acquisition programs. Moreover, he has sponsored several young people from his community to study abroad, opening up new opportunities for them.
Yeah, they're doing well. I wanted to, that's the youth empowerment. I even took 24 people to Abuja, they're still there.
I had so.
Yeah, all of them, everything about my biography is true. I made sure as if I knew I was going to be a king, and a king of kings. I talk to people that don't, I'm not a social media guy. I don't write nothing, I don't have any handle.
Yeah. For
the public, I don't have any social, except WhatsApp. You text me, I text you back. Anybody bring any handle for me doesn't have my, because I let people speak for me. So people write all those things for me, and most of them I warn them, let it be verifiable. If they are all verifiable, I let it be true. Okay. So I never magnified my ego or magnified the process I did. But everything I did was, it turned out to be good, for the next person.
Ogadagidi's commitment to the welfare of his people is evident in his establishment of a food bank, which provides meals for his people from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. daily.
In my compound, so you see, it's the first in the southeast. It's never been. I don't know. Maybe my parents, they fed people when I was growing up, so I knew what it means not to have. And I know when I was going to elementary school, when I come back home hungry, and so I felt that way. So now it's a game. A lot of people support me too. Even when they touch their mind, they send me with ₦1,000,000, bags of rice. I've not seen it works. You see it today. It's very dramatic. It's very legendary. Let me just say that. It's called a Edemani Food Bank, where people come and eat. Everybody from one person from each village. They have 11 staff there. The way the hiring process is very transparent. None of my relations works there, except that all of them are my relations by default because I'm their king. But the ladies and guys, they were hired by due process, nomination and interview, and they passed. Both hygiene, everything was crossed, both integrity. So the foods for 3 years, going to 3 years now, we've been going to 2022, and then to God be the glory, we've been standing up, and every year, every day, we'll be increasing. We have a vehicle to transport food. If you can't come out, if you can't walk, you come and come make a phone call or let us know. We'll carry food to you every day. You see people carrying food today. You see people sending, especially in the hospital. If you're hospitalized and you don't have a way to eat, just let the food bank know. They have a car dedicated to that. And I bought the car myself. Nobody ever gave me money, but I had earned money at work. Any blind person in this community, I pay them salaries. Any blind person in this community, I can brag about that. So I want to encourage the philanthropy, people that has money. The world is too short. So to encourage the people, with the help of my wife and my kids and my brothers, we came up to the understanding that, hey, you love your neighbor as you love yourself. So it's not about mind full of gospel and mind full of hate. I don't have it. So I love that. That's why it's like when I come in, things happen. And I also thank the governor for giving me the platform. Of course, he's the man behind the mask. How about Dr. Peter Mba? He's a big guy. He's a nice
He has
guy.
also built a state-of-the-art hospital where patients receive free medical treatment regardless of their tribe of origin.
The hospital, 20-bed hospital. You'll be shocked when you see the hospital. It's the best. All private, best private hospital, except the ones that are in Catholic Church and Anglican or in this Sukazo. When you see it, what you can do is praise God. We've been running it for 6 years with the board of trustees, and they've been doing a good job. So I'm so proud of myself because I'm a nurse by profession.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is my 36 years as a nurse. When I'm nurse, but I'm nurse to the top. So never knowingly committed a crime, both home and abroad.
Okay.
I've been overseas 29 years, 30 years. This is my 30th year.
Recognition of his exemplary leadership and commitment to his people, the governor of Enugu State, His Excellency Barrister Dr. Peter Ndubisimba, appointed him chairman of the Enugu State Traditional Rulers Council and later extended it to the Southeast Traditional Rulers Council. Though he is now the immediate past chairman of the Southeast Traditional Rulers Council, his legacy continues to inspire his people.
So thank the governor for giving me the platform. Of course, he's the man behind the mask. How about Dr. Peter Mba? He's a big guy. He's a nice guy.
Yeah,
we all adore him. We love him. And because we see he's determined to work, determined to put up the tangibles, he's trying to confront reality. Dividend of democracy, we're now seeing it. He's everywhere. He doesn't care about the zones. He doesn't care about the nitty-gritty of government. We know that's why he's my guy.
Okay.
As a testament to his impact, his people have immortalized him by erecting his statue at the main junction of Edemani. This gesture reflects the high esteem in which his people hold him.
Happy that I'm their son, and the community is proud of me, of course, and I'm proud of them. They love me. I couldn't love them more than they love me. They love me more, even more. So I'm a guy that took the road less traveled. I don't have anybody who opened the door for me. God opened the door for me and I busted it open.
Igwe Ogadagidi also built different houses for those that is in need of faith in his community, Edemani. And so many other of his philanthropical gestures that we couldn't mention.
Igwe Ogadagidi's story is a testament to the power of selfless leadership and the impact one person can have on his community. May his legacy continue to inspire future generations.